basically a tapri, tea tree, sophisticated tapri. Tea, badam tea, ginger lemon tea, green tea, normal tea. Good morning. Today is the day 6 of our journey and we are about to start for Kakinada. All set, luggage mounted, had our breakfast. It's about 9 o'clock and in few minutes we will be going on. The Welcome Grand Bay Hotel has been, ITC Hotel has been very good. Staff is very friendly. They helped us in all regards. So definitely whenever next we are at Vizag, we'll be staying here. Thank you. I'm not wearing my glasses.
अभी सुबह के 9 बजे हैं और जो डिस्टेंस है वाइजैक और काकीनाडा का वो लगभग 170 किलोमीटर्स है और वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि अबाउट 3.5-4 घंटे का सफ़र होगा और वी विल बी रीचिंग देयर बाय 12:30 और 1 o'clock. वाइजैक का स्टे बहुत अच्छा था. Whatever we planned to do in 2 days 3 nights we could achieve it, and it's a great feeling that whatever you plan and it goes according to the plan. Hopefully हमारी आगे की भी जो जर्नी है वो goes like that. This is the same route which we took 2 days before to go to Yarda beach and the Dolphin Hills. So हम उसी रास्ते से थोड़े देर चलेंगे और फिर there will be a turn towards Kakinada. Taken a right turn now and on the Rajahmundry Kakinada road, which is National Highway 16, and we'll continue to ride on this road for some time now.
Traveled for about 1.5 hours and still 113 kilometers to go. So as I said before, reach by around 12:30. Taking a small tea break. I was feeling a bit drowsy and we needed some break. So have a nice tea break and then we'll carry on. Basically a tapri, tea tree, sophisticated tapri, good ones. So many types of trees: elaichi tree, lemon tree, black tea, badam tea, ginger lemon tea, green tea, normal tea, and some shakes. So on the way we found quite a few such tea stalls. Few kilometers before we crossed Ankapalli, I was only aware of Ankapalli as we get a mango variety from there, but came to know on the way there were a lot of trucks passing on with the sugar canes. So just came to know that it is the second largest jaggery market in India. 50 kilometers left to Kakinada, and soon, in about 15 kilometers away, we'll get a diversion. So right side the road will go towards Rajahmundry, and towards left it will be Kakinada. So mostly it has been a highway, 4-lane highway so far. Need to see how it will be from the diversion. I think it's Annavaram. From there we'll have a diversion, or Mallapuram. The road has been good so far. It's a busy road, but not too busy. Couple of ports on this highway. This is National Highway 16, which used to be earlier 5, what I read, and it covers Chennai and Vizag and goes to Cuttack, Kolkata. So couple of ports in between. So obviously the traffic is expected. Lot of eateries on the way, so that way it is quite comfortable. Otherwise first 3 days we struggled for food on the way. We found a lot of mango trees also in between, other than coconut. I think these are khajur trees, right? Dates. Weather is okay. I'm not feeling that hot. With gloves, helmet, jacket, it's comfortable. So we have reached to the place where we have to take a left. That will take us to Kakinada. The straight road goes to Vijayawada, Chennai. So hopefully this other road will also be good. So far the National Highway was very good. This highway is 216, probably a state highway. Wow, this is also 4-lane. So from here it shows it's 37 kilometers, probably around 45 minutes. This is the Central Library of Kakinada. We've reached Kakinada. This is the cycle lane you have to get. So they have a cycle lane running all along. We also have something similar in Raipur, but not used properly. All the hawkers put their thela on that. Nice, seems to be a nice town. A lot of greenery. Tony and Guy. So I have got my haircut done at Tony and Guy a couple of times in Raipur. So we are hardly 2 kilometers away from our hotel. East Godavari Roller Skating Association, and there is a playground in front, I guess. Seems to be a busy street. Take this right turn. we missed any street or what? 300. Yeah, this is the Grand Kakinada. Hope. Yeah, sure. Reached our hotel. Let's find out. We reached on time, 1:45, and we'll just go and complete the formalities, then take out our stuff, and then park the bike wherever they say. Seems to be a pretty nice hotel. I have a booking in the name of Pratyush. Pratyush. Pratyush पढ़ रहा. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. We want to check in. So our luggage has been sanitized before we can take it inside in our room.